Hi, Mommy! Happy birthday! Mag-ingat ka dyan palagi. Wishing you good health. And sana makawi ka na. Miss ka na namin dito.
Hello po tita, happy birthday po. God bless po sa inyo lagi. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan. Sana po makauwi na kayo po.
Bye-bye!
Happy birthday po, Tita Lengay.
Ingat po kayo dyan.
Miss na po namin kayo. Sana makauwi na po kayo.
Hi, Tita Lengay. Happy birthday. Ingat ka dyan. Miss you. Love you. Happy birthday. Love you. Miss you. Bye.
Happy birthday Tita Len, miss you.
Pangalan mo? Ay, wala.
Sinchan po.
Mami, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana sumaba buhay mo. Maraming salamat sa ginawa mong pagbabantay sa akin. May sakit ako, na-appreciate ko. Kaya tondo ako. Tsaka sana umuwi ka na, Mami.
Happy birthday, Mama Len.
Happy birthday, ate. Kiss. Kiss.
Hi Len, happy birthday sa'yo. Happy 18th birthday. At sana patuloy ang paglaki mo. Hindi, joke lang. Yung SSS natin, huwag mong kalimutan ha.
Kapatid na Len, happy birthday! Congratulations at buhay ka pa rin hanggang ngayon. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay katulad ng birthday wish ni Cara David. I love you! Happy birthday!
Siguro
Happy lang siya. Happy at saka safe siya always. Tapos pwede pa siya ma-stretch.
Sa height, yung body niya, yung katawan niya.
Hindi, yung king-king.
Bastos. Happy birthday, we love you.
Happy birthday, love you.
Happy birthday Ate Len.
Ano, tuloy ka na. Balik ka muna dito. Bakasyon ka muna ulit.
Pagdating ni Ate Ting, overnight ulit.
See you.
See you soon.
We love you, Nina.
We love you Ninang Len.
Oy, Bash! Happy birthday. Wishing you a day full of love, laughter, and everything that makes you happy. Me and Clark, we're so grateful that you are our friend. Plastikan. Ganun pa man. Maligayang karawan siyo!
Hi, Fräulein. I wish you all the best. Congratulations and happy birthday. Bye.
Hi Len, happy birthday. Wishing you a successful and happy life ahead. See ya.
Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. And sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Sana tumangkad ka na rin. Happy birthday. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Len. Ingat yan, bye-bye.
Hey, Fräulein. Happy birthday, man. I love you. Bye. Andito lang kami, susuporta sa'yo, okay? Happy birthday. And sana maging maayos ang lahat sa mga susunod na kabanata. Alam mo na yun. Okay, happy birthday. Pinakabata sa grupo, Fräulein.
Happy birthday, Tita Croy!
Good luck. Good luck sa Pinas. And alam ko masaya ka dahil finally makakasama mo nuli yung anak mo para medyo matagal-tagal ka na rin dito sa Dubai. And yun. God bless and ingat palagi.
Happy birthday, Ate Len.
Wishing you good health, Ate Len, and more blessings to come.
Tsaka wish namin para sa'yo, sana lahat ng wish mo matupad. Ayun lang. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, baby, Ate Len!
Happiest birthday, Ate Froy. Wishing you all the best in life. And thank you for the friendship. Happy kami para sa'yo sa decision mong mag-for good na sa Pilipinas. Andito lang kami palagi. Mayroon pa tayong ilang buwan na magkakasama. We love you. Ikaw ang paborito kong nalalasing. You're so cute!
Hi Proy, happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wishing you all the best na lang and good health palagi. Stay pretty and milky. Alam naman natin na last birthday mo na dito sa UAE. So, gawin nating special yan. Dahil alam naman natin matatagalan bago tayo magkita-kita ulit dyan sa Pilipinas. So, at ma-celebrate yung mga birthday natin. So, yun lang. Wish ko lang sana pag-uwi mo sa Pilipinas maging smooth lahat.
Happy birthday, Ate Proy. Love you.
Happy birthday, Troy! We will miss you!
Happy birthday, Ate Proy. Wish you all the best and sana mag-iingat ka lagi. Always pray to God.
Happy birthday. Thank you for the wonderful friendship and always follow your heart and your happiness. We love you. Mag-miss ka namin.
Hi, Tita Poy! Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Ate Proy.
We love you!
We love you so much po and we really miss you. See you soon po in Philippines.
See you soon!
Love you.
Ate Proy, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best on your new adventure. Naku, mamimiss ka, tate, lalo na yung paglasing ka. Kulit-kulit mo. Ingat ka lagi, ate. Love you.
Happy birthday, Proya. Happy birthday, Proya. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Proya.
Happy birthday, Ate Proy!
Ate Proy, mag-iingat lagi and we love you.
Ate Proy, happy birthday. More blessings to come and good health. Wishing you all the best. Pag-uwi ng Pinas, mamimiss ka namin. We love you.
Wish ko ang wish mo at sana kayo laging healthy, happy, and safe. Ayan, kahit iyon mo kami dito, may miss namin ang TikTok, ang banding, inuman, lahat-lahat. So, pero masaya kami para sa'yo. We will miss you. We love you. Happy birthday.
Maligayang kaarawan, Inday. Dalangin ko ang katuparan ng mga pangarap mo, naway makamit mo lahat ng hinahangad ng puso mo. Kasama mo ako sa lahat ng to kahit magkalayo tayo. Maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat. Walang anumang salita ang sasapat sa walang patumangga kong pasasalamat. Sa pasensya, sa presensya, sa aruga, at sa tiyaga. Lalong-lalo na sa pag-aalaga. I miss you. Happy birthday. I wish you an amazing 365 days. As amazing as I am. As you are. Have a great time. I miss you. I love you.
We really miss and love you so much, huh? Love you. Happy birthday.
Alam ko, masaya ka naman kahit nandyan ka. At sana, good health, more blessings. Enjoy your day. Love you, Nak. Miss na ka namin. Miss you. Love you.